Hello friends, we are going to draw a flowchart to calculate the compound interest. The formula for compound interest CI equal to P multiplied with 1 plus R divided by 100 whole power n minus P. So CI is the compound interest P for principal amount. R stands for rate of interest. N stands for number of years. This is the formula for the compound interest. CI compound interest, which is equal to principal amount multiplied with 1 plus rate of interest divided by 100 to the whole power n, number of years minus principal amount. To calculate this, we are going to draw the flowchart. This is the logical start of the flowchart. I am obtaining input, 3 input from the user. That is input P for the principal amount, N for the number of years, R for the rate of interest. Principal amount, number of years, rate of interest. I am obtaining an input from the user. Next, I am calculating the compound interest. Compound interest CI. I am using variable CI for compound interest, which is equal to principal amount multiplied with 1 plus rate of interest divided by 100 to the whole power n, number of years minus principal amount. I am calculating compound interest is equal to principal amount multiplied with 1 plus rate of interest divided by 100 whole power n, number of years minus principal amount. Next, I am printing the result, compound interest. Print compound interest, the variable CI. Next, I am ending the flowchart with the logical start. Logical start of the flowchart. I am obtaining P, N, R from the user. Input is a statement used to obtain the input from the user. P for the principal amount, N for number of years, R for rate of interest. Next, I am calculating compound interest is equal to principal amount multiplied with 1 plus rate of interest divided by 100 whole power number of years minus principal amount. Next step, I am printing the result. Print CI compound interest. This is the logical stop of the flowchart. Now we will take an example and trace how this flowchart works. Logical start, input P and R. I am giving the principal amount P equal to 1000. Number of years N equal to 3. Rate of interest R equal to 5. So principal amount is 1000, number of years 3, rate of interest 5, which I am obtaining an input from the user. Next I am calculating the compound interest. CI equal to the principal amount 1000. I am applying this formula. Compound interest equal to principal amount 1000 multiplied with 1 plus rate of interest 5 divided by 100 to the whole power n, 3 minus principal amount 1000, which is equal to 1000 multiplied with, this is 5 by 100 equal to 0.05, 1 plus 0.05, 1.05 to the power 3 minus 1000, which is equal to 1000 multiplied with 1.05 power 3, which is equal to 1.16 minus 1000. When you multiply this, value equal to 1001. When you multiply this will give 1160 minus 1000. This is equal to 160. So compound interest is 160. I am giving principal amount 1000, number of years 3, rate of interest 5%. I am getting a compound interest 160. In this way, the flowchart works. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.